up, and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Dani, and this is probably going to be the most random and impromptu video that I've ever put on my channel, but I figured it needed to be done. So I figure based on the title and just my overall appearance right now, you guys might have a few questions for me, so let's try and clear those up right away. I am in my family's new summer house right now. This is a very, very new contribution to my family unit. When I say new, I mean we've literally had this house for about a week, and I've been posting about it here and there on my Instagram. I wasn't really sure if you guys were even interested, so I didn't really elaborate on anything. But I asked on Instagram if you guys would want to see an empty house tour of this new place, and you guys said yes. And when I say empty, I mean like this place is like empty. It's wild. But I was just outside by the pool with my family, and I figured I would just start this video off right now. It's going to be very real, very authentic, super impromptu, but let's get into it. So starting off at the front door, on the left, right when you walk in the house, you see a staircase, and on the right, you walk in and see the family room. Just for the record, pretty much everything that you see in this house is going to change. We're planning on doing a ton of construction, so that's why it's completely empty, and we haven't really made any progress on it since getting the house. But here is the family room. I love the fireplace. I love fireplaces in general. Then you walk in here, this is our dining room area. This entire thing is going to mesh into like one room because we're redoing the entire kitchen. But you walk in here and this is what the kitchen looks like as of right now. Of course, the house is empty except for the fridge. We have water and we have beer and we have Gatorade. All of the essentials, obviously. And as you walk out of the kitchen on the right, you see what I think is called a mudroom. I'm not 100% sure. I've never actually had one of these rooms in a house before, but we have washer, dryer, linen closets, and then a bathroom over here. Hello. Walking out of the mudroom, we have, I think, another family room, or this is a living room. I don't really know the difference if we're being quite honest, but then we have double doors that lead outside to the pool that I'll show you guys in a little bit. I've also never worn a bathing suit for this long in a video before, so sorry, it's summer. I don't know if that bothers any of you. Because this room is as big as it is and there's also nothing in it, I have been singing my off because there's such good acoustics, so I can't really help myself, but I've probably been giving my family the biggest headache. I just need you to hear the difference in acoustics between like a carpeted floor with closer walls and that room. What song can I sing? Happy, whoa, ah! So that is pretty much the entire downstairs area, but now we can head, are you going upstairs? You are so annoying, go.
I'm watching your tour.
Why? You already know what the house looks like. Okay, fine. So that's pretty much the entire downstairs area, and then once we head upstairs, it leads you to all of the bedrooms and the office. So again, all of this will pretty much end up being changed, but here is my brother and I's bathroom. We have the Jack and Jill sinks, a big mirror, hello again, and then, I don't know, all of the normal bathroom things. Across the hall is what's going to be my bedroom. Obviously completely empty and quite small, but it's perfect size because realistically, how much time will I be spending in this bedroom? Probably not that much, but my bed's going to be going against this wall. I want to get a nice little side table. I want to put a big mirror in this corner. I feel like that would look really cool. Walking down the hallway, this entire wall is actually going to be knocked out. We're getting rid of this entire closet just to open up some space. This is the master bedroom. Obviously, it is my parents' bedroom. They have their own bathroom in here, which I've never actually been inside. Obviously, all of this is getting changed, but it's really cool to see what it all looks like in the beginning, and then when I give you guys the big reveal at the end with what everything looks like after all the renovations, you guys are going to be shocked. Across the hall from the master bedroom is what is going to be our office. I'm probably gonna end up sharing this with my dad because I don't have enough room for a desk in my own room, and then of course painting the walls so they're not purple. And then in here, last but not least, this is what's going to be my brother's room. It's a little out of focus right now, but he got the second biggest room in the house. He has some really, really nice closet space that I'm probably going to end up taking half of, but it's a beautiful room. He's gonna end up doing some like really cool stuff with it. And then he has a really nice view of the pool, which I'll take you guys down to see right now. And now for my favorite part of the house. This is the backyard. It's actually really cool because we have this really, really big porch, which might end up going away after all the renovations are done, but I'm actually not sure. And then when you walk out, you see our beautiful little pool. I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna end up going in right after I finish this clip, but this is our little beauty of a backyard. So that's about it for our empty house tour. Like I said 1,000 times, there's going to be so many renovations happening within the next 1 or 2 months. I wish I was going to be here so I could give you guys step-by-step updates of the entire thing, but you guys will just have to wait as long as I'll have to wait because I'll be back at college. But I really did want to show you guys this because I'm super excited about it. Hopefully you guys are equally as excited, and by next summer, it's going to be like fully functioning and ready to hang out in every single weekend. But that's it for the tour. Now we're gonna head into the rest of the Hamptons vlog. I wanna go in the pool because I'm sweating, and I'll give you guys updates as the day goes on. Hi, beautiful. One other part of the house that I forgot to show you guys, but is actually probably my favorite part, is our outdoor shower. I've always wanted one of these. I think it's so cool. Just finished getting ready for the rest of the day. I just threw on this dress that I got at Bershka when I was abroad, and I think we're about to head out and explore the town near my house. Since we literally just got the house, there's still so much that we haven't explored and that we haven't seen, so it's making this entire experience really, really exciting. I also just got a really exciting FaceTime call from my friends who I'm going to be living with for senior year. We just chose names out of a hat to decide who's going to be living in which room of the apartment. Because we're living off campus this year, they don't get randomly assigned to us. We have to do it ourselves, and in order to make it most fair, my friend Laura came up with the idea with just picking some names out of the hat, and my name was the first to get picked, which was really cool, even though I didn't really have too much of a preference. But I think I'm going to end up having my own bathroom this year, which is a really nice perk, and I know most college students don't really live this way. But I'm really excited, especially because I'm going to be living with 2 of my closest friends. Like, how could I not be excited? But I just have a really good feeling about senior year. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I already have so much travel planned for it. It's gonna be kind of crazy, which means tons of content coming your way. Right now I'm just wearing the t-shirt that I bought at the Khalid concert the other day. I'm so mad that I didn't fully vlog that day of work because it could have been so much fun. But the other day, randomly, my friend Amanda and I decided to last minute buy tickets to the Khalid concert. He was performing at Madison Square Garden, and the tickets were only like $50, which is unheard of because Khalid is like as big as he is. And I also had 2 of some of my best friends already going to that concert, so we met up with them. It was so much fun. It was the 4 of us, and we had an amazing night. Back in the beginning of the summer, literally 20 minutes before the event, my friend Gabby convinced me to go to this big horse race that happens on Long Island. I was not planning on going whatsoever. So in 20 minutes, I showered, did my makeup, and put on a fancy outfit and just ended up at this random horse race. So I love spontaneous decisions like that. Use this as your reminder to do something out of your comfort zone. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, it doesn't matter. Just do something that you wouldn't normally do, because I promise it's moments like that that make for some of the best memories. I feel like that sounds super cliche, mainly because it is, but it's totally worth it. I had so much fun at the house today, and I'm so happy that I ended up going. There was a split second this morning that I was considering staying home, but I'm really happy I didn't, especially because once I started posting about it on Instagram and you guys had such an overwhelming response to me asking you if you wanted to see an empty house tour. My DMs are filled with you guys just like freaking out and saying yes. I was kind of just reminded of how grateful I am to have people like you watching this who are as invested in my life as you are. I mean, this could easily be the first time that you're watching one of my videos. And if it is, thank you for watching this far, and I hope you decide to hello, English. I hope you decide to subscribe because it would make me super happy. But regardless, if you subscribe or you don't, I'm really grateful to just have your attention for like 10 minutes, however long this video is. One thing I've been trying to do recently with my videos is make them a little bit more chatty, because as much as I enjoy making montages, I know that they're not as interesting to watch sometimes as just like hearing people talk, I guess. If I'm wrong, let me know, because maybe I have this backwards, but from what I've heard from some of your feedback is that you want to hear me talk more. So if that's the case, let me know and I'll keep this going. I think this is a good place to end off this video. So I wanted to say thank you to those of you who watched this far. If you did, leave me a comment down below telling me what the highlight of your summer has been so far, because it's already August, which is kind of super sad, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have done some really, really cool things. But for now, I love you guys so incredibly much. I'm so grateful for you every single day, and I'll talk to you very soon in my next video.